CC Fire Tester's new detector removal tool is out. This tool can solve your testing problems, such as testing in places like this, with many goods placed on the floor or detectors hanging too high to replace even with a ladder. In this video, we're about to show you some features. First, it gets tighter while turning to both sides. This makes it easy to use for both installing and unscrewing. Second, it is designed for universal usage. You can adjust the grabbing range by moving the sticks to different holes. As for the grabbing height, we provide the reference scale. Check where to grab according to the scale, then adjust the sticks. We'll also provide an empty one for you to make some marks yourself. Third is the fall-resistant mat here. The sticky mat can prevent the detectors from falling off. If the viscosity is too high, stick some tissue scraps on it. If you want it to be more sticky, wipe it with water or grain alcohol and wet paper towel. Next is the round part here. By loosening it, you can grab the detector with an angle to 30 degrees. By tightening it, it will be great for grabbing vertically. Take a look at the red part here. Put the red part 1 cm left from the LED light, then you won't bump into the base while removing. When installing back, align the plug of the cover and the red part. It will be helpful for you to aim the detector. Moreover, it is also very light and small. Therefore, you get a clear aiming view while grabbing. By operating just like by hand, instead of sucking in first then twist, there's no worries to lift up the light ceiling board. Want to try our detector removal tool? Welcome to contact us at any time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.